For Memorial Day.
Yeah.
It's his birthday, so tell him happy birthday.
Come on,
this
give
is
it to
my boyfriend Dwayne.
Leave the comments and subscribe.
I'm dead.
And also say happy birthday, Wayne.
So I guess we're about to go to the zoo, and then after that, I don't really know what we're about to do, but we're just about to have some fun. It's feeling good out here, y'all. And I'm gonna obviously take y'all on with us. So we'll see y'all once we get to the zoo. So y'all, the zoo was closed, so we literally just pulled up to the aquarium. We're having fun so far. If you haven't been to St. Louis, you better come.
It's real nice. They got animals and everything out here.
Down. It's the burger zone. I wonder if we can go this way. Big wheel with the animals. Are you allowed? I'm scared to touch him. I don't want to touch his head. I don't know what's going to happen.
Lucky.
Say hey.
This is my buddy, Lucky and Charm.
Dang, oh my gosh. That looks like my boots. Hi. I hope I don't turn my phone up in here.
I think it's a park. Chinese park, something like that. These are park. Daddy!
They got a whole rope course up here. Comment down below if y'all have ever been to St. Louis. It looks fun, but it looks scary though.
Yeah, it looks like it'll be cool looking at people out there.
See, I'll probably be freaking out. I'm not really scared of heights though, for real.
I'm not either. I mean, you got the straps on you.
Oh my gosh. Are you trying to do it? Okay. Y'all, we in the mirror maze.
We in the mirror maze, y'all.
I don't even, wait. So far I'm doing, wait, ooh, this ain't right.
It is.
Oh, no. Oh my God.
We drinking lotion.
I almost ran into it. Y'all see the scene?
Inventions.
Oh my, boo. No, this wasn't it. Oh, it's right. No.
Oh, shoot. You don't know what you about to walk into.
Wait,
Hey, you sure you better be careful. You mess around and walk into a mirror.
I don't know where I'm at.
Go that way.
No! See, this man tried to set me up. Okay, obviously it's right up.
Step right up. Get your fair foods right here. Press a button below to learn about foods of the fair.
Okay, see, I gotta touch. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Baby. Oh, never
Oh
mind.
my god. This is like, y'all. Dang.
Don't touch it.
This don't make no type of. Okay, obviously. How was I pull the rope? Look at this man.
Gymnastics. 1904 Olympic Games held in London men's gymnastics competition. Gold parallel bars, the rope line, and the vault.
What do you have to do?
Side bars and individual all around.
Alright, what
Bronze, horizontal
am I
bars.
supposed to do?
I think you already did. You won. You already won. Come on. Okay. Dang, was that it? Private property, keep out. No
I
trespassing.
got to do it.
I'm scared.
My weight loss.
Oh, did you lose your weight?
I said, nah.
This is weird. I don't know.
I guess I'm with y'all from now on. That's a... We about to go backstage. We about to go backstage.
Oh my gosh, this dude's weird. Look at him.
Look.
I didn't even look back there.
We backstage, y'all. All right, let's go. Let's go. pretty cool. I got to touch the little exfoliating fish.
Y'all, he had his hand all up in this thing.
It's still
and
funny.
It was like, he always doing something.
And you touched some, what was that? Corn?
I don't know,
Like
but
that?
it was all right. But I low-key kind of want to get on this Ferris wheel, so we might do that. I don't know. Or get something to eat.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
We just enjoying the day.
Mm-hmm.
But all right. I'll see y'all when we get to the next thing.
Bye.
day, y'all. So we really didn't do much. We just went to eat. We went to Chili's. We're about to watch a fight and honestly go to sleep. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. All right.
Bye.
So it is the next day. We are at the mall. We ate. I'm full. Are you full?
I'm pretty full,
We're lucky about to do a little ring shopping.
Uh-oh.
But I don't know. I guess I'll check in with y'all later if we actually do something. Do we have anything planned for today?
We at the mall. Then we're gonna go downtown sometime. We just ate, as she just said. So we're gonna go see the arch. And we're just kind of, you know, going with the flow. Enjoying the vacation.
The vacation. Even though his parents are here. But
Yeah.
it's okay.
Make the best out of it.
I'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Just getting his ears pierced.
Even,
How you feel, love?
just a little nerve, just a little bit, you know. Do you have your under when you come out, or let's do it like that? What you think, Short?
How you feel?
Oh, shoot. Okay.
You got him pierced. What y'all think? Dwayne to D-Wizzle? you look. I gotta get used to it.
This is a little different.
You still handsome.
Thank you.
All right, we ring shopping, y'all. We ring shopping. What y'all think? What y'all think?
Trying on a shirt, trying something new out. No,
Y'all
but
don't
it
look too
right
hard. No, I'm just kidding.
Though. But do it look right though, baby.
Yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Thank you so much for participating in my first ever vlog. I hope that you enjoyed. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we gonna enjoy the night. Bye.
Bye.
See y'all next time.